Watching Eyewitness News at 11 on WUTR.
New York State's Comptroller's office released a follow-up report saying the state still needs to do more to address nursing home pandemic issues. While some of the Comptroller's previous recommendations have been implemented or partially implemented, others have not. Capitol Correspondent Jamie DeLine has the story.
A recent report looked at the use, collection, and reporting of infection control data. Back in 2022, the Comptroller's office made recommendations to the New York State Department of Health and to the governor after reviewing how the pandemic was handled.
The original report found is that a lot of the data that the department was basically releasing to the public was not fully transparent. So that the numbers that they had internally were not the numbers that were being publicly released. And so they were underreporting the number of deaths.
One recommendation was to improve the quality of data released to the public, as well as collect supplemental data from other sources. The new report found this was partially implemented by the Department of Health.
There needs to be improvement related to the accuracy of the data they actually do collect and how they use that data. I think that we all talk about, data-driven decision-making. But one of the things is that they have a lot of data, but they're not using it to make decisions.
According to the report, the health department lacked resources for years. On Wednesday, Governor Hochul said she agrees with the Comptroller's assessment that a decade of disinvestment in healthcare caused problems in the past.
We are laser focused on fixing them, bringing more transparency so the public knows what's going on in our nursing homes, that we have the data that's available to us, is available to the public, and also many other areas we're making improvements.
When she was asked if the state is prepared for another pandemic,
a lot of lessons were learned the hard way. We won't make those mistakes.
The governor says she will continue to work closely with her health team. The New York State Department of Health releasing a statement saying in part, quote, "We appreciate the Comptroller's recommendations, including other actions to strengthen data tools and processes that are completed, underway, or being addressed by the department. The lessons learned from the COVID pandemic continue to inform us as we remain well prepared for any new COVID outbreaks or future pandemics." According to the Comptroller's office, more audits will be done in the future. Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
And some sad news tonight.